Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial. How can I move an object? So as example, we have these 3D objects, and if you want to move, we can use the transform tools. Click this icon, transforms, and the next select for the objects. So you can set in here, like I will choose by distance, and then for direction, so I will click at this line, H, and then you can move the objects to vertically. If you done, you can click OK to apply. So we can choose against this part and then use the transform tools. For the translate, we use the distance, and for the direction, I will click in this edge, and then we can move through the axis. If you done, you can click OK to apply. So that's it for basic Onshape tutorial, how to move an object.